Hi guys! I haven't made videos in a while, so this is my first video back. I just wanted to share a little something that happened to me personally last night. So routinely, I sleep with my boyfriend on the phone. Usually I fall asleep first. That didn't happen so much last night. I'll just reenact it for you guys. Yeah, he sounds like a dying walrus. Cute, right? It was a little off-putting, but it wasn't that cute either. So yeah, I just felt like sharing that with you guys for my first video back. Yeah. Toodles!